Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to read deleted Facebook message in 2020. And trust me, it's very easy, there's nothing complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, and I promise you that's gonna be a very quick and also simple for doing it tutorial. So at first, let's move on point. First, get your phone, open the Play Store. Let's just before that, yeah, close it, and now open the Play Store and search for this app, deleted messages, like this, and here it appears, this app, WAMR. So why actually I'm choosing WAMR instead of Not is Safe? Because Not is Safe, because Not is Safe is also good, but there is a lot of ads, and you know, I think it's only for Messenger and other things. It's so mess up there. I don't like it. But MR is better, because as you can see, is very organized. We can choose which app we can find the notifications, the saved notifications, and yeah. So here, every time when you receive some message from Messenger, from Facebook, also from Instagram, from YouTube, from WhatsApp, doesn't matter, will be saved here. And if someone tried to delete it, then there's no escape, because it's already deleted, it's already saved on your phone here. Just let's say someone sent a message to us from Messenger, by Messenger, and it's saved here in this app, WAMR, in Messenger. So if they delete it, don't worry about it, just open this app, and you can easily read the message, and yeah, that's it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.